What's up, family? It's your girl again, Wicom Solange. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please, if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And for those of you who have subscribed already, thank you so very much, and may God continue to bless you. I'm so sorry that I didn't have enough time to make videos. Nevertheless, I'll always find time to make videos because I've seen that most of my videos are impacting lives. It doesn't matter, even if it is 1 or 2 lives, no problem. What matters is actually impacting someone. So I am very grateful. Today we'll be talking about criticisms. Yes, we'll be talking about criticisms. Criticisms are meant to build us up, not to break us down. But most criticisms do not come in good faith. You need to be very careful, because most criticisms do not come in good faith. Most critics, they're just there to break you down. That they don't just want to appreciate you. They don't want to see you happy. So you need to be very careful with the kind of criticisms you take or the kind of critics you listen to. Some will never appreciate you no matter what you do. Have you discovered that in your life there are some people who never appreciate anything that you do, no matter how good that thing is? They're always there to criticize. Yes, those are the kind of people you need to be very careful. People who are just there to criticize you to break you down, to pin you down, to make you sad, to make you mad. You need to be very careful. Those kind of people don't mean well for you. So, like I said, criticisms are meant to build us up, not to break us down. Majority of the critics, they just want to pin you down, because they don't want to appreciate what you're doing, no matter how good that thing is. They don't want to appreciate. And then, like I said, criticisms are also good. Criticisms are necessary, but it depends the way you put your criticisms. Some critics, they are just savage. Some critics, they lack what they call manner of approach. They lack a very good manner of approach. If you want to criticize someone, make a constructive criticism. Don't criticize because you just feel like criticizing. No, criticize because you think that if you criticize, you want to bring out the better of that person or of that thing the person is doing. Don't just criticize because you want to bring that person down. And don't be rude. Why not even go to the person's inbox? Why not go to the person's inbox and you tell that person what you really think about that thing that the person did? Yes, sometimes it is very important the way we place our criticisms, the way we put it. That's why there are some people who will never take your criticisms. They will never take your criticisms. Why? The way you presented them, the way you brought them. If you brought them in a nice way or in a constructive way, why not? Many would take them. But if you bring them like you really want to like break them down, you want to pin them down, oh my God, some will not really take it seriously. Some will not take it. So we need to be very careful. You have to be careful the way you present your criticisms, as well as we need to be very careful to know the kind of critics we listen to or criticisms that we take, because some people, no matter what, they will never appreciate you. They will never. So they're just there to break you down. They don't want to accept the fact that you're moving on, you're getting better, or you're living a happy life. They don't want it. They don't want to see you doing anything good. So you need to be very careful with the kind of person you listen to when the person criticizes you, or the kind of critic you listen to. You need to be very careful. I'm not saying that criticisms are not good. The problem is, criticize in a constructive way. Criticize in a nice way. Criticize in a way that person will see that the person needs to do better, or the person needs to improve. Don't criticize because you just want that person to feel bad. Don't criticize because you just want that person to feel sad. Don't criticize because you just want to break that person down. Criticize because you want that person to improve. You want that person to do well next time. Yes, you have to be very careful with the kind of criticisms you take or the kind of critics you listen to. Why not even go to that person's inbox? Why not go to that person's inbox when you want to criticize? I think that person will even listen to you more. Or why not even present it in a very nice way that will make that person not to feel bad. You don't, why always want to criticize like you really want to bring that person down? You want to shatter everything. You want that person to feel bad with what the person is doing. Please guys, we need to be very careful with the kind of critics or with the kind of criticisms we listen to, or the kind of critics we listen to as well. Yes, we need to be very, very careful with the kind of criticisms that we take or the kind of critics that we listen to, because some, they don't come in good faith. Yes, some don't come in good faith. Some just come to make you feel bad. That is it. So guys, I'm so sorry. I've not been having enough time. Like I said, I've not been having enough time these days. Nevertheless, I'll be finding some time to be making interesting videos, because I'm so happy that my videos are impacting lives. Yes, even the lives are not many, at least there's a life I am impacting, which means that I'm doing something good. It's okay. And I don't even understand this thing. Why even watch a video and you don't even like, you don't subscribe? Come on guys, you need to, even if you don't like the video, just share it. That video might impact someone else. That video may impact somebody else. You will come and watch a video, you will not even comment, you will not even like, nothing. Why are you watching? Then why did you watch the video? Yes, it could be that the video was not interesting. No problem. At least share. Share. Try to encourage people. Encourage people, guys. Encourage people. Don't always how can I put it? Don't always make people feel bad. No. Don't always feel like people are not doing anything. Learn to appreciate people. Sometimes you may not like the video. We know not everything that we do, not all videos that you will like, but then if you don't like, at least share the ones that you like, the ones that you enjoy. You like, you share, you comment. Okay guys, thank you so much for taking out your time to watch my video. Continue to stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you so very much, and may God continue to bless you. Stay safe, stay positive. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao.